I feel like today's video is gonna go either really well, really fast, or really bad and really slow. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and I know that my makeup looks incomplete. Something's missing. What's going on? I actually have eyeshadow, but I don't have like anything on my eyes as far as like eyeliner and mascara or lashes, because for today's video I am going to be doing a first impressions of, and I actually can't believe I am filming this video because I have a confession to make. When magnetic lashes first came out, I was the biggest hater on them. I was just like, what? No, like people are being so extra. I'm not about it. I was just like surprisingly like very close-minded about it. I don't know why. I guess it's because I don't think magnets are like an easy thing. I don't know. To be honest with you, I have no idea why I was being such a hater, but I was, and here we are. This is a little different than the lashes where it's like two sandwiched lashes, like a bottom one and then a top lash that goes sandwiched against your lashes. This is a little different. This is a eyeliner, which is like actually a magnetic eyeliner, and then the eyelashes go straight stuck onto the eyeliner. When I saw this, I was like, okay, let me be a little more open-minded about it. The ones that I have for today are the AUDIBLE magnetic liner and lashes. The style of eyelashes that I'm going to be using for today's demo is the demi wispies. The demi wispies, like the regular lashes from AUDIBLE, they're already like one of my favorite, so I figured let me go ahead and try it with this one because I already know what the regular demi wispies look on my eyes, so I'll definitely be able to compare to see if they look similar or not. They do have like a lot of other different options, like the magnetic ones. They don't just have the demi wispies. Now this retails for $17. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Let me go ahead and start opening up this bad boy because I haven't even opened it at all. Immediately, without even trying it, I know we shouldn't be so judgy, but I can already tell you that the downfall to this is, for example, if you don't want to wear eyeliner, I feel like you have to. Like, you ain't got no choice. Okay, so open it up. The lashes, the brush, and then the gel liner. Now, I do know that there's other brands where it has like more of a liquid liner, not a gel. And I kind of feel like I would probably prefer a liquid because that's what I normally use like to do my eyeliner. I never use like this kind of gel eyeliner, so this is going to be really interesting. I'm scared. Okay, and so another thing, I feel like truthfully, the way I would do this, like if I wasn't doing this on camera or if I wasn't trying to just test out the product, I would go in with my favorite eyeliner. I would create the liner that I want, and then I would go in with this gel magnetic liner. For the sake of the video, I'm going to do this the way the instructions say. Maybe the next time I'll do it my way and then I'll compare. I'm scared of that brush. Okay, so it says here, apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Place the magnetic lash on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, I thought it was gonna be so much more. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, I guess at this point I have to just zoom you guys in. All right, oh wow. It's like very smooth. I thought it was gonna be like chunkier, or I'm not really sure what I was expecting, but it's actually like it goes on very smooth, and it's a little tacky. So okay, now I'm like, do I do a wing liner? Like, what do I do? I don't know. What do I do? Oh my gosh, this is already going kind of weird. So maybe going in for a wing liner, my first attempt wasn't the best idea, but I feel like that's just me being true to what I would normally do. Okay, I definitely feel like, oh my gosh, that looks terrible. I definitely feel like I am struggling. Okay, I'm like definitely struggling. It does not glide on very well. Like you see how I'm tapping? Oh my god, that looks so, I feel like that looks so bad. Okay, but we are gonna fix it. Okay, I'm gonna concentrate now. Working with this eyeliner for me has been quite a struggle. This does not look as conjured as usually my eyeliner looks, but okay, let me go ahead and you know what? The instructions said to, but you know what? I'm just gonna do this one and then I'm gonna go over it one more time and then put the lash because I'm supposed to put the lashes while this is kind of tacky. Stressful. I'm stressed. Oh my god. I would have legit already finished putting on my fake lashes a long time ago. I know it's all practice and I know it's my first time, but I'm gonna already be super honest with you guys. The next time I try this, because I am gonna try it again, definitely gonna do what I mentioned earlier, where I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and then over it, I'm gonna add a little bit of this and then see how it works out, because I can definitely tell that's gonna be a lot easier. My eyeliner legit looks so bad. I don't even feel like they look the same. They don't even look the same, right? Like, what's up with this? Oh my gosh. I literally think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm so scared to try to fix it and mess it up. Oh my goodness. No. Why did I do that? I literally told myself 2 seconds ago I was just gonna leave it. Should I just leave? Yes, I'm gonna leave this one. I'm just filling it in. Like, I'm not gonna actually try to change the shape. Oh my god, it looks... I don't like it. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and I'm gonna stop trying to fix it. I am aware that my eyeliner looks like garbage, so please nobody come for me. Okay, so now I'm going to go over it and then put the lash on. I feel like this dries really quick, like really, really quick. So I'm going in with quite a bit of this. Oh my goodness. This is a little bit of a hot mess for me. Hot mess express over here. I didn't even measure if these are gonna fit. They usually do. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh my goodness, that actually is like stuck there. Wait. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my god. This looks so bad. So bad. I don't understand. Oh my goodness. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, this is bad. I do not feel like this is going well for me at all. Oh my goodness, why is not they're not getting stuck? Now thinking about it, like, why would I have to put this on while it's kind of tacky if it's magnet? It should just dry, it should just go like a magnet. I don't know. And I literally feel like it looks so bad. So regular lashes, once you put them on and you start to fix them and tweak them, if you don't do it fast enough, like wherever they've landed or wherever you glue them, like that's where they're gonna get stuck. Now this, I could, so far, well, except the corner. I don't know what's up with this corner right here. I feel like I put quite a bit of the magnet. Okay, I feel like that feels a little bit more secure. So I definitely like that you can tweak the lash. Like, okay, you didn't really get close enough to your inner lash line. Like, you can move it. I definitely like that. I just personally right now absolutely hate the way that my eyeliner looks. And I just kind of feel like the lashes don't really curl up that much. So I feel like it's like pulling down on my eye. I don't know. I'm going to do my other eye. Okay, this part, I find it really amazing because I feel it stick right away. Right? Okay, all right. Oh my god, this one looks so much better, at least to me. Okay, I definitely feel like this one looks so much better. I mean, it looks... Okay, no, this is terrible. I need to redo this. No, no, no. Okay, so now let's see what happens when I take it off. What happens is that it looks like I've created a hot mess, which I have. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Oh my gosh, my eyeliner looks so hideous. Oh, you know what? Let me put a little bit more on the outer corner right here. It's definitely not as intense as I thought. Like, I legit thought that when I brought the lash to my eye, like my whole eyelid was gonna be like pulled by the magnet. Okay, so this definitely went on a lot better. Okay, I feel like they look a little bit better because before I'm not even sure what was happening. I know what these lashes look like on me, and they're normally they're very perky and they kind of lift my eye, and I feel like the way I first put it on, it was dragging my eye down and making my eyes look really tired. Oh my god, I feel like this literally is going worse than I thought. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We already know how things went for me by using just the eyeliner and putting on the lashes. Personally, I feel like it was a complete disaster, a lot harder than I thought. So I'm gonna go in with my regular liner. I'm gonna try to fix this eyeliner best I can, and then we're gonna try this one more time because all right, I am back and I fixed my eyeliner best I could. Now I'm gonna go ahead and on top of this liner, now I'm gonna go back in with the magnetic gel liner and we're gonna try this one more time. Wish me luck. And then now, oh my gosh, this is, what in the world? I don't even know what to say at this point. All I can say at this point is someone please come help me. Oh my god, like it's like getting, oh my god. Okay. I don't understand why this one goes on so much better. Well, no, not so much better because this isn't great. But it goes on significantly better, easier than my other eye. Like, I feel like this is acceptable. Like, I look at it, not perfect, but I can deal. Now, this eye, I no entiendo. I don't understand. What am I doing wrong? Okay, all right, I feel like that's a little bit better, right? I wonder what would happen if I curled them. I wonder if I can add mascara. Oh no. Okay, well, it wasn't a total disaster. All right. I feel like for right now, with the amount of patience that I have left, this is literally as good as it's gonna get. Alrighty guys, so this is pretty much going to be it, and I'll leave you with my final thoughts. I definitely thought it was a lot more difficult than I was expecting. I don't know, I guess I was just overly confident because I've been doing my eyeliner for years and years and years, so doing my eyeliner is not a big deal. So using this gel liner was definitely a struggle for me, and putting on the eyelashes, I was like really struggling with like putting them on. I mean, I still am because I don't feel they look that good. Don't get me wrong, like I know that they don't look terrible, but I don't feel like they look as nice as the regular lashes with like the regular glue. Now, I would tell you that if your eyeliner game is strong, I would definitely suggest trying this. It's not overly priced. $17 is not that bad compared to like other magnetic lashes, which can get very, very expensive. But $17 is not so bad. But if your eyeliner game is strong, but you're struggling with your eyelashes, I definitely think that this can be useful. The other thing is, when I do this again, I'm definitely like off the bat going to just do regular eyeliner, and then on top of my regular eyeliner, I'll go in with the gel. That is going to make my life so much easier. Now, I'm trying to think, like, would I recommend this to someone who struggles with eyeliner and eyelashes? Do I think that it was easier than regular lashes? I do remember that putting on lashes when you don't know what you're doing, it's a struggle. Like, it is intense, especially like you put them on and then if you don't wait long enough, they sort of like fall off or they don't stay in place, and then you pin the corner and this corner pops up. That doesn't happen with these. As soon as you bring these to your eye, you let go, the eyelash is stuck to your eye. You could take it off and position it somewhere else. So I thought that that was like a huge plus. But I guess what I'm trying to say is, like everything, practice makes perfect. I don't think that this is like a quick, oh, I don't know how to do lashes, let me just get this and I'll become an expert overnight. I definitely feel like this requires a little practice, just like regular lashes would. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy that I tried it, and I'm going to try it again because I'm going to keep an open mind. But I'm not really sure that magnetic lashes are going to be something that I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to try to wear them as long as I possibly can throughout the day to see how long they last, because can you imagine, I went through this entire struggle and then they last 2 hours. Oh, I would die. So I don't want to say that this was a hit, because it definitely wasn't, but I don't want to call this a miss. I feel like this is a to be continued, but like I said, as of right now, this very moment, magnetic lashes are not going to replace my regular lashes. But anyways, I am very curious to know, have you guys tried magnetic lashes? How did it go? Hopefully it went better than it did for me, because I feel like this was pretty disastrous. So let me know in the comment section below. Maybe you try like another brand, because that could be it. Did you try another brand where you thought it worked, and maybe I can give that a try? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. As always, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.